What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into Huawei's latest flagship drop, the Pura 80 series. And trust me, this lineup is bringing some serious heat. 4 fresh models, the Pura 80, Pura 80 Pro, Pro Plus, and the top-tier Pura 80 Ultra. Each one packed with powerful features, stunning designs, and Huawei's latest in-house tech. Let's get into it. First up, design. Huawei went sleek and modern. The Pro, Pro Plus, and Ultra Sport, a stylish round frame with this cool multi-layer camera bump that really stands out. The standard Pura 80 keeps it clean and flat, a subtle but sharp difference. Now the displays are where things get next level. The base Pura 80 rocks a 6.6-inch flat OLED panel, but the Pro models, they flex with a 6.8-inch quad-curved OLED screen that hits a whopping 30,000 nits peak brightness. That's crazy bright, perfect for any lighting. And with 120Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate, scrolling and gaming feel buttery smooth. No more lagging or choppiness. You're also getting 1.07 billion colors, P3 wide color gamut, a sharp 460 pixels per inch, and HDR vivid support. Bottom line, stunning visuals that pop. But here's the real flex, the camera system. Every Pura 80 model comes with a 50 megapixel 1-inch RYB ultra-large main sensor. Huawei says this sensor bumps real-time image processing by 200% compared to the last gen, plus improved AI noise reduction and color accuracy. And the Ultra? That's a camera beast. It features Huawei's brand new triple real-time fusion tech, boosting dynamic range to an insane 16 EV. Translation: you get crisp, detailed shots in basically any lighting situation. Oh, and check this out. The Ultra model has a switchable dual-lens telephoto camera system, a first in the smartphone world. 2 internal mirrors let you toggle between 3.7x and 9.4x optical zoom, with focal lengths from 13mm all the way to 212mm. That's a 129% increase in optical zoom range over the previous Pura 70 Ultra. Perfect for getting those crisp close-ups without losing quality. Under the hood, all these phones run Harmony OS Next, Huawei's own OS, and it's got some slick new upgrades, including the Arc engine. This baby boosts system performance by 36%, making everything snappier and smoother. But battery-wise, the Pro, Pro Plus, and Ultra models pack a 5700 mAh battery, which should last you all day, and then some. Plus, fast charging is no joke here. 100W wired and 80W wireless for those quick top-ups. The base Pura 80 has a slightly smaller 5600 mAh battery, but still supports a solid 66W wired and 50W wireless charging. So, what's the damage? The Pura 80 Pro starts at about $649 USD. The Pro Plus comes in at $799, and the Ultra, the true flagship, hits $999. Yeah, not cheap, but when you factor in the tech and innovation, you're definitely getting your money's worth. Look, Huawei is clearly making a serious comeback here, thanks to some heavy R&D investments. Over $173 billion in the last decade, and $25 billion just in 2024 alone. That kind of commitment is paying off with a lineup that pushes the boundaries on display tech, camera innovation, performance, and battery life. So whether you're a photography junkie, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who wants a premium flagship experience, the Huawei Pura 80 series is something you need to watch out for. Alright, that's it from me. If you liked this breakdown, hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and let me know in the comments which Pura 80 model caught your eye. I'm Zakir, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.